Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about shower heads, it looks like, Josh.
Yes, we are. We're talking about the Niagara shower heads, 2 of them, and they're one of my favorites.
Cool. So take me through. What makes them cool?
So there's a Health Guard shower head we're going to talk about and the Hot Start shower head.
So this is the Health Guard shower head.
This is the Health Guard shower head.
How does it guard your health?
This actually, what it does is it saves up to 40% than a lot of the shower heads out there. They make a handheld version in this.
Handheld meaning that you can like reach up and pull it off your faucet
Yeah,
or
it comes
whatever.
down, it's got a bracket it holds into. The shower head is antimicrobial. We've been going over this for a while. It has a coating on it to prevent bacteria growth up. It's got 5 setting sprays on it. But the biggest thing about this, what I love, is you actually can remove the face to clean it. You can't do these with other showers.
Show me.
So you take.
It's got a little button on the side. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that.
You push this and you pull the face off. Now you can clean the parts.
Cool. Yeah, it makes cleaning super easy.
Yeah, you can never get in here and clean your shower head. You're trying to soak the head, take the head off, you can leave this on. This isn't the part clogging, it's mainly in here.
Right.
So that's what I thought was really cool about this. Now, this is the Hot Start shower head that Niagara makes. This will pause the flow once it reaches a shower temperature of around 95 degrees. What happens is when you turn the hot water on, it's got a spring mechanism in there. And once that reaches that temperature, it shuts the water off. That spring pops, shuts the water off, and it lets you know it doesn't run. So if you take a phone call, but I don't know about you, but I've started the shower before and I forgot about it for like 15, 20 minutes. I'm like, holy cow, I'm gonna see that on the water bill.
I get it. So you turn on the shower, you're waiting for it to warm up, and then you're like looking at your phone, you go brush your teeth or whatever, and then when it turns off.
Fold clothes like you're usually doing?
Yes.
And then it turns off,
and then
you come in to take the shower, you push the button and it resumes the water at a warm temperature.
Oh, that's cool. That's a cool feature.
That's really neat. So now they have EcoForce Technology. This is actually patented technology. This has like compensating pressure. It provides constant water output regardless of the pressure. So pretty much what it does, to sum it up, is the water flow comes in. If the water pressure goes down, this actually will consolidate into the nozzles to make it higher pressure. It'll come out of the center nozzles, and if the water pressure picks back up, it'll open up to the other nozzles.
Oh, so no matter what your water flow is like, you're getting a constant output.
Yes, exactly.
Cool.
I just thought that was really, really neat. So,
all right, so where do you get them and how much?
So HD Supply, if you're going for the quick face, the HD Supply or Wilmar. Otherwise, you can go on Niagara's website and they sell the Hot Starts. So spend around $20 to $35.
$20 to $35? Yeah. All right, sounds good. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.
That's really cool, isn't it?
Pretty cool. Yeah. I hate getting in a cold shower.
I know.
You can just push that button and have that hot water come down.
It is.
Talk about luxury.